This is the LG Watch Urbane LTE, a new smartwatch from LG which can actually have a SIM card inside it. That means you can make phone calls and send texts without even needing to use your phone with the watch. Let's take a closer look at its key features. Its circular screen is 1.3 inches in diameter. It uses what LG call POLED. That means it's got a plastic screen. It just means it won't scratch when you use it as easily as if it was glass. It uses a Qualcomm Snapdragon 400 1.2 GHz processor. That's about as fast as some smartphones from a couple of years used to be. It also has 1 GB of RAM and you've got 4 GB of storage on there. That means you can store things like music, which you can then play by connecting it to a Bluetooth headset. Its battery should last for around 2 days. Of course, that's something we'll test when we get it into our labs later this year. At the heart of the LG G Watch Urbane is what LG is calling the variable platform. It's not the most catchy name for an OS, but it is something that's brand new to smartwatches. It's based on WebOS, which people who have got an LG TV might already be familiar with. It's just a way to interact with the watch by using a slightly different interface than you might get on, say, an Android Wear-powered smartwatch. As I've said, key to the LG G Watch Urbane is the fact you don't need to tether it to your smartphone. It's got a SIM card in it, which means you can access your emails, make phone calls, and send texts without actually ever having to go near your phone. It can basically stay in your house. And if you've not got a Bluetooth headset, you can actually speak into the microphone on the device and you'll be able to listen to audio through the speaker. The Urbane also has a heart rate monitor, GPS for satellite tracking, and it's got an accelerometer so it'll switch on when you move your wrist. Having had the Urbane on my wrist for a little while, I can say it is a very heavy and quite thick smartwatch. I mean, when you look at it, it's actually a lot thicker than probably the other, like the LG G Watch R and the Moto 360, which already weren't the thinnest things. There's no doubt with the stainless steel colour scheme and the thickness of this watch, it is quite a masculine watch. Even on my wrist, it looks rather oversized and certainly much larger than my usual watch. However, I do like the fact that the watch uses all that size to cram in everything I want so I can leave my phone at home. The fact it's got a SIM card in there, you can access your emails, it's even got GPS tracking if you go for a jog. It just means that it's an easier experience. There's no need to carry a separate phone, which anyone who jogs and tracks their jog at the same time with their watch will know it can be a bit of an annoying experience. Stands, we have no firm details for a UK price or launch for the G Watch Urbane. As it stands, all we know is that in about 2 months' time, so maybe in mid-May, it'll launch in Korea, but beyond that, the situation is unclear. However, I'm sure it will launch towards the end of the year and certainly before Christmas.